Hi there, I hope you have had wonderful Christmas and you are ready to enter the new year. The project I'm gonna be making today is a set of New Year's Day banners, and I'll be featuring some new dies by Birch press design. This is a very quick project and really easy to put together, so let's get started and see how it's done. To create the banner base, I'll be using a tall triangle die set by Birch press design. I'm using the second largest die to create the shape of the banners and the smallest one to put the letters inside later on. Next, I'm going to create the holes to be able to hang the banners. So I have stacked all 4 banners together and I'm punching 2 holes at the top. Crocodile tool makes it really easy to punch through multiple layers. Next, I'm going to use the embossing folder by Sizzix. This is a 3D embossing folder, and don't forget it requires a specific sandwich. You can find the instructions on the packaging. I'll be embossing all the triangles the same way. The next die set I'm gonna use is Prismatic Triangle, also by Birch press design. It's a 3-layer die set, and I've die cut the bottom layer out of white, the mid layer out of black, and the top layer out of silver mirror cardstock. And now I'm going to stack all 3 layers, one on top of another. This geometric pattern is easy to line up. There is nothing complicated in the process. It's just the design itself that creates all the intricacy. Now when all 3 die cuts are stacked, I'm going to apply adhesive at the wrong side again, and this time I'm sticking the whole construction on top of my banner. The shape is actually much bigger, but this time I'm not going to trim it down to the size of the banner. I think it creates more interest this way. The last die set I'm going to use today is a set of numbers that is called sugar script numbers. I've die cut them out of silver mirror cardstock. I have mounted the small triangle onto the big one with the foam squares, and now I'm attaching the number, again using some small piece of mounting tape. I have created all the banners the same way, and now I'm going to add some finishing touches to them by sticking down some sequins. I'm using Silver City 2 sequin mix by Cat Scrappiness. I'm attaching about 5 sequins onto each banner, and I'm trying to use the ones of different sizes and shades of silver. All there is left to do now is to attach the ribbon. I'm using a silver brocade ribbon. I'm just feeding it through the holes in the banners. This ribbon is actually not sleek and not too smooth, so the banners are not sliding back and forth, and I don't have to use any fasteners. I am just making sure that all the banners are equally spaced, and then I'm going to tie up a loop at each end so that I can hang up the banners. That finishes my project for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Have a very prosperous, successful and happy new year 2019. Bye!